This is the best one ever in the whole world.
How great.
Love Thai food, love Thai people, love Thai culture, love Thailand.
What's up guys? Today we're here in Bangkok area and I'm here with Tada and
Sawadee-ka,
Sawadee-ka. So what are we doing today?
Alright, so today I am under a little bit of pressure because I'm going to take you guys out for some food. So I'm taking my Thai friends out for Thai street food. I can't just take you anywhere, I've got to take you to the best. So today I'm taking you for some places with 200 years
Whoa, okay.
worth of
200 years.
200 years of cooking experience. But it is so hot.
Yeah.
Ron ma. So I think first, let's grab ourselves a cold drink.
Yep, I'm excited. No pressure.
No
because we're
pressure.
Thai. All right, let's do it guys. Let's go.
$15 นะ What do you want?
I'll let you decide.
We leave it to you today
Yeah.
as a guide for Thai people.
Oh,
And,
no.
and a challenge, if you can please Thai
Yes,
people.
So I have to order in Thai and I have to take you to the Thai place. เอาชาเย็นไทย
doing nothing.
10 แก้วนะครับครับ So this place, this one is 15 years old. Oneหน่อยนะครับ I've been coming here for 9 years.
Whoa.
So from when I first got to Bangkok, she used to be over there in front of Robinson's department store, and she's just moved here. But she told me 15 years here and there. So we've got 15 years here, and she does the pulled tea. So
Okay. How long have you been here? What about you? You said 9 years. Here?
nearly. Oh, 8 ปีแล้วนะ
Would you like to tell my audience a little bit about yourself?
All right. So I came to Thailand. This is my 9th year, so about 8.5 years ago.
Wow.
I used to have a food blog back when people used to read. Now when people only watch videos, so I started the video channel. And yeah, I just go around, eat Thai food, love Thai people, love Thai culture, love Thailand.
And you're from?
England, London.
England.
Originally.
Right. And you, Dan?
Yes, I'm Dan, just from the old channel called Dan Bangkok. I stopped that one because I'm opening up the new one and it's all going to be about travel in Thailand as well. So you see how my channel is doing. Hope you follow for me.
Today it's all about the classics for us. So we're getting classic drink, then we're getting a classic treat dish, and then we'll be getting another classic dish after that. It's all about the classics. I've got to keep it safe.
If it go wrong, I blame you today.
Yeah. Smells really nice. Cheers!
Cheers.
Chong Gao.
Chong Gao now.
Yeah?
It's good.
First stop,
I give it
okay?
a pass.
When you ask me why I keep coming back to this one,
Yeah.
Because if I say one night, usually it's still really, really sweet. But this one, when I say just a little bit sweet, I get it, it's still quite sweet, but not as sweet as usual. Usually it's like,
I see. So how do you say in Thai when you want to order less sweet?
one night, one night.
One noi. Yes.
One noi.
It's perfect. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, not too
Not too sweet. Yeah.
Right, first
Perfect to start the day.
And luckily, it's only about a 10-second walk to our next stop.
Let's do it.
My old friend. I'm coming to him for 8 years as well.
รู้จักกันมานาน
So they had another restaurant. It was just called Muslim restaurant.
Oh.
And that one. It
That's
was
a legend.
that was at 80 years old, and then they had to close down. So these guys opened a street stall, and then they just moved around here. So yeah, when they closed the first restaurant, it was like a member of my family had died. I was so upset. I was like, I couldn't leave my house for days. Then I found out they opened again, and whew,
Thank God.
Your first time here?
Yeah, and I have high expectation because of you guys.
Okay.
you like khao mok gai?
Yes, I love Thai.
This is the best one ever in the whole world.
No, okay, no
อร่อยที่สุดในโลก
ไม่กดดัน
อร่อยที่สุดในกรุงเทพใช่ไหมในรอบ
Gary's gonna order for us.
Biryani. we've got our Thai biryani, khao mok gai. So you get this, and then with this, we're going to get an aubergine curry as well. Eggplant.
Yeah.
Eggplant for any American viewers. I know a lot of your viewers are American. Eggplant.
So we are ordering khao mok gai and probably more. You guys probably wonder why you let the English guy guiding your channel. In case you didn't know, Gary has a channel called The Roaming Cook and he's the food expert. So we're just gonna tag along and see what this area and Gary got for us. Alright, so let's continue.
She can eat.
กินหมด กินได้หมด everything.
Eat everything.
Okay, กินซัมมองนะ
กินหมด ได้หมด กินสมอง
กินซัมมองไหม
I try the tail but not the
brain.
Let's do it.
Okay,
Oh, that's the brain?
that's the brain, beef brain.
เอาไหม
เอาไหม
มี
เอาครับ
มีเนื้อมีไก่
โอ้
เอาไหนดี
เอาอะไรดีนะ
Gary Thai is very good.
เอาอะไรดี
มีอะไรบ้าง
เนื้อ
เนื้อ
กับ
ไม่
ไก่
ไก่
อะไรก่อน
เนื้อ
เนื้อ
ครับเอาครับ
So guys, I'll be eating cow brain for the first time because of Gary.
This is actually my first time eating cow brain as well.
จริงเป
I've
ล่า
eaten, I've eaten pork brain, no cow brain.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what do we have here?
All right, guys, so we've got the khao mok gai, the Thai biryani. Is that Adam?
Adam.
Casey.
Hey!
Hi. Hi. Good.
How you doing, buddy?
happening, man?
You good?
Yeah, good. Hey, how are you?
Good timing, man. Take a seat.
What you got here?
Oh, we've got a
Great.
feast.
You want to tell my audience a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name's Adam. From the channel Keys One, just a YouTuber based here in Bangkok, and I'm distracted by looking at all this delicious food.
All right, should we start with the brain because I want to try
All right,
the
let's
brain.
go,
Yeah,
let's go.
Let's do with the brain.
So this, I'm very happy that you agreed to have the brain. I'm really, really happy. But if you don't like the brain, this cannot come off of my points for the day, okay? You can't say, no, I only get 1 out of 10 for your food tour. You can blame me for the rice, but you can't blame me for the
all right,
brain.
okay, so you want to go together, everybody?
Okay.
Yeah?
Cheers.
Cheers. Go.
How do you know what it tastes like? Big brain.
It's a little
Oily?
oily, squishy, salty.
Do you
Should go really well with the rice.
feel like it has the same consistency as cream cheese? It's exactly like it doesn't taste like how you think a brain is going to taste, right? Like the texture, it's like, it was good. But this is what we've actually come down here for. So,
You like it?
do you feel like this looks different from like normal khao mok gai?
Yes. The normal one that I have usually have the chicken on top.
Yep.
And the rice is just yellow, no orange.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sort of,
Yeah, we've got
yeah.
two mixed rice. The chicken's being cooked in with the rice with all those different spices. We've got some cumin, which is
Come in.
cumin,
Yeah.
turmeric,
Same.
coriander seed, loads of different
Wow.
spices. And then those pieces
guys,
of chicken
help
underneath.
yourself.
Mint sauce. So this one, so it's like vinegar, sugar, mint, chili, and garlic. It's a little bit sweet for my personal preference anywhere that we go, but it does kind of, anytime I give this to an English person or an Australian, it reminds them of like our mint sauce at home.
Yes. Of course, I know the source.
The rice is so good. This is the way it should be. Because khao mok gai, it shouldn't be stick together. It should be like each of the rice should be separate from each other.
Every grain is separate, right?
Let me try it with this. มะเขือ มะเขือ
Like each.
That comes with that, free.
Oh,
Yeah, not separate.
oh real?
A lot of people don't know that when they come here. They're like, oh, why have I got this curry?
I think Adam's
Yeah.
been a bit quiet for the food things. When we look more crazy when we go to the nightlife, right?
I never imagined that the guy that I watched before I started my channel would be sitting right next to me. So the khao mok gai was amazing and I bought some back for daddy. And where are we going next, guys?
Next, we're going to Prachak roast duck. So this next one is 116 years old,
Wow.
and I think so. It's been open since 1908, I think, or 1916. Well, either way, they have not decorated since they opened. So it's exactly the same as when it first opened
I see.
100 years ago.
And it's your regular?
This was the first duck shop I ever ate in Bangkok. So then it ruined roast duck for me because every time I got it afterwards, I was like, oh, this isn't as good. So this is the one I keep coming back to.
Dan says it's one of the best in Bangkok.
I think it's known as the best, but how can you say it's the best like this? Like
so
10,000.
let's prove it. Let's see.
Let's go.
Bang Lak district has been around for over 200 years since Bangkok was established as the new capital city of Thailand, located right next to the famous Silom district. Bang Lak, translated in Thai, means place of love. It is known for its cultural diversity with a mix of Thai, Chinese, and Indian influences reflected in its architecture, food, and religious sites. The restaurants we're visiting today are very close to the Robinson department store. If you drive, you can park your car there. If not, then take the BTS to Sapan Taksin station, which is the closest station. Or if you want to explore the neighborhood, you can stop at BTS Sala Dang or MRT Silom station and walk from there.
Come on.
I love that you got like all the old the news.
Let me give you a little bit of introduction of this ancient restaurant. So it's a rice noodles with duck restaurant that has been open for 114 years, guys. They're on their 4th generation, and it's like I always wanted to come here, and finally thank you to Gary that he brought me here. I love the why it's very like old Chinese traditional. Upstairs we can see all of like the newspapers that they have been on. They have the green bowl sign that I've told you before. Cheo Chon Chim, the green bowl sign, that if whatever restaurant that has this sign is like a Thai Michelin star. We are waiting for the food. I'm so excited. Finally I get to come here, guys. Follow me. Yeah, I like how you switched your tone and the sound of your voice. น่ารักอ่ะเราพูดภาษาไทยอ่ะ
Your Thai accent is
พูดไทยแต่ไม่เคยเก่งนะ
He's good, he's good.
We had to get one plate just by itself because here the sauce is the special thing about this place. So this is like obviously meat juices from the duck that's been cooking, also a little bit of yellow bean, tau jiao, and a little bit of, I think a little bit of like Chinese rice wine. Really, really good, sweet, salty, perfect. The other classics in here are khao na pet, bap mi pet. So you've got to get some egg noodles with a little bit of that sauce on as well. They've also got a little bit of man mo. In English?
In English.
Garlic with pork oil, lard. Okay. And then that's on rice. We've got some separate rice to eat with this sauce. Hopefully you like this, because as I said, this is like my first ever roast duck in Bangkok. For me, it's still the best. And what I do like here, they've got some homemade. I've already eaten most of it off camera, but they've got some, I saved you one piece, homemade pickled ginger as well.
You saved me only one piece? I grew up eating duck from MK. I love MK duck. I've never tried this one.
Let's rate this one.
Let's rate this against MK. If MK wins this one, I'm going home. Or we'll just go over to Robinson's and go to MK.
Okay, here goes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Similar to MK, but softer, more tender meat. The duck is more tender, and the sauce is a little bit sweeter and savory. I like it, but I would love it with rice.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm Thai. I eat everything with rice.
Chunk of meat you get here is really fat and thick.
Yeah.
Comparing to MK, they may have like double layer. This is come in big piece. You can feel that it's not so pretty to eat. It's not much detail about
You know what's magic about this dish? Is the sauce.
It's the sauce, right?
Like you said.
But for me, sometimes it can be a little bit sweet, so I do like to put a bit of vinegar on. How do you feel about that? Sai ting meh?
ไป ตกใจหมด
พอไหมพอไหมครับ
พอแล้ว So guys, with this noodles, you can season. You can put some chili flakes in it. I love it. I love the sauce. Let's try with some
So the
spice.
sauce, do you prefer the rice? I prefer the noodles.
I prefer the rice.
Yeah.
But I don't mind the noodles.
I'm not quite Thai yet. But for me, when you put because the sauce is quite sweet, once you put the vinegar on and then you get a little bit of heat from the chili, it like balances the dish.
We already eat some. It's not in the conversation. So this is the duck with rice. And I don't know, maybe because I'm Thai, I love with rice better. Right?
Honestly, cooking is everything, yeah. And I like to do like
It feels more comforting with rice.
Definitely, and I think a lot, like with Thai food in general, for me, if you don't eat it with rice, like it's gonna either be too sweet, too salty, too spicy, too sour. Like by design to be eaten with something plain like rice or noodles. I just like bak mi because I don't know. I guess it reminds me of spaghetti.
Even some Thai people, I think Patrick prefer the noodles, but I just like in general, I prefer rice.
Rice, yeah.
but I think it's mostly expats.
So good, very good. Thank you, Gary.
Thank you so
taking
much.
me
Thank you
here.
so much for having me on the channel. I've been a big fan for a long time now, so I'm glad I got on the channel.
Me too. Me
And
too.
next time you're gonna come on my channel.
I will. I definitely will.
ขอบคุณครับ
So guys, if you wanna see me on his channel or you wanna see him more on my channel, let me know in the comments. That's it for the food tour in Bangkok area, guys. With Gary. If you wanna see more of this kind of video, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit
Like,
and
subscribe.
I will see you in the next one. Bye.